Hey guys, Dave here, and I'm with Jax right over there, and we are on site on this major home transformation project site, and we're just days away from beginning. It's a Cape Cod style home in Gloucester, New Jersey. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms on the new remodel, and it's an entire transformation from top to bottom. Everything is getting transformed. We have a detached garage here that we're going to rip down. We're attaching a 2-car garage. We're adding a room on the side, a room out back, and then we're going over the entire structure. So let me show you what it looks like. So guys, this site is filmed live, close to New Jersey. I'm asking you to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. You could follow us. You get all the updates on this particular remodel. We'll be filming this entire project from start to finish. So click on the like, click on the subscribe, and we look forward to you watching our videos. Okay, that's not the home, that's Jax, obviously. And here we go. Here is the house right here. This is the Cape Cod style home. It's an older house, front porch. We'll be pulling this porch down. You get a side view over here. We're going to be rebuilding the entire driveway. We're taking down that garage, and we're going to be adding a room. Here, let's walk around back real fast. In this back corner right here, we are going to be squaring off this little corner right here. And then we're going to be bumping out with a 2-car garage going out the back here. Above it will be the master bedroom suite. And then as we go in the back here, around the side, we're going to be adding it's approximately, if I recall, about 15 feet out and about almost 25 feet going in this direction. It's almost the length of that side there. So when it's all said and done, we're taking off the roof. We're going over everything I just mentioned. Brand new top floor. It's going to be an amazing project. All right, so rarely do we show the inside before, but right now we're going to go in there and show you what this house looks like on the top 2 floors. Okay, so here is the front porch we'll be pulling down. We're going to make a nice wide staircase here, masonry staircase. There's going to be a double door going into the house, and then from here, everything changes. The staircase is getting relocated. All the walls are getting opened up. Just the 4 exterior walls will remain. And actually, just to confirm that, this wall is going to stay, that wall is going to stay. And then from that point on, as we walk through here, all this is going to get cut out. This whole back corner is going to get opened up. We're going out that way, we're going out that way. And as you can see, it's a nice little house, but we're going to make it into a beautiful transformation. This bathroom's coming out. The back entry's coming out, obviously, and we're gonna have a beautiful 3,900 square foot home when we're completed with this project. Let's go upstairs. I'll show you the top floor. All right, so this staircase here is getting relocated, and right now you can see we have the pine floors in here, smaller rooms. All this is coming out. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. It's an older style. All this plaster, everything's coming out of here. We're going to strip it down, rip it down to the first floor, and here it is. All this comes out. It's going to be a major transformation that we're just about 3 days away from beginning. All right, guys, once again, I'm Dave Pangione, and take a look at the videos, watch this project from beginning to end. It's going to be an amazing transformation. You're not going to recognize this house when we get through with it. In just 3 to 4 months, this house is going to be completed. It's going to be amazing. So follow us, click on the like button, and subscribe to the channel.